Hello my lovies, how is everyone today? I have a little special Easter treat for you. I've been trying to come up with something, some kind of a drink so that we can celebrate Easter together, and this was actually the very first drink that I ever had. It is called a Snowball, and actually it is made with something called Advocaat, and it is just purely egg yolk liqueur. So if anyone has an egg allergy out there, please don't drink this because you will get sick. And the eggs are taken fresh from the farm. The whites and the yolks are separated, and then alcohol is infused and a whole bunch of stuff. So there's a little bit of a process, and because it is all natural, what you have to do is actually give this a good shake each time before you go to use it, just so that everything all mixes together and then it's ready to go. Now, the way that it is actually listed on the back of the bottle to make a snowball is a shot of the Advocaat, and then 2 ounces of lemonade. And over in England, of course, lemonade is what we refer to here in North America as 7-Up. So I've just got one of these little tiny jiggers here, and then I use pineapple juice whenever I make this. The recipe, like I say, calls for the Advocaat lemonade and then a shot of lime. I'm not going to use lime. I don't actually have any real limes. This is the best that I could come up with. It's been sitting in my fridge for like maybe a couple of months, but I'm going to make it with the pineapple juice, and it just gives it such a beautiful flavor. Okay, so we're just gonna take 1 ounce of the Advocaat, and I'll pour that right. It's really thick, obviously, because it is an egg yolk. So there we go. There's 1 ounce of that. I'll pour it into my frosted hurricane glass. This is really a beautiful glass. I love it. And this was actually given to me back when I was about, I don't know, 20, I guess. I had been dating my then soon-to-be husband, and like I say, that was my very first drink. So just shake up your pineapple juice as always, because you know all that stuff can get separated, blah blah blah. So I'll pour a good couple of ounces of the pineapple juice, and then I'll finish it off with the 7-Up, and then it just froths up a little bit at the top of the glass, making it into a snowball. I'm gonna go grab a straw. All right, and I've just got my straw here just to give this a quick little stir, and that tastes fabulous. So if you want kind of a sweet, little bit thicker drink that's a little bit different than normal, this is a great option. It's made with eggs, Easter, you know. So that's kind of what I was going for. If you like what you saw here today, please hit that subscribe button, give me a great big thumbs up, hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That will let you know each time I upload a new video. Follow me on Snapchat, on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram. I keep all of those up to date. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Happy Easter, everyone!